Kirby's Tooth Fairy Tales. Chapter 1. Kirby's Tooth. Once upon a time, there was a chimp named Kirby who lost his first tooth. It was a healthy baby tooth whose time had come to leave the mouth. Even though he had lost a tooth, Kirby was happy. He knew that he had taken excellent care of his teeth and that it was normal for his baby teeth to come out. He was also very excited because he had heard the legend of the Tooth Fairy. And if it was true, he could expect a visit and a gift from the Tooth Fairy that very night. Kirby gently placed his tooth under his pillow and carefully got into bed. He tossed and turned as he wondered what gift the Tooth Fairy might bring. He had hoped to stay awake long enough to actually see the Tooth Fairy. He didn't know that the Tooth Fairy only visits after children are asleep. Finally, Kirby fell sound asleep. As he slept, a warm sprinkle of light filled the space next to Kirby's bed. The Tooth Fairy placed a special gift under Kirby's pillow and then vanished as quickly as she had come. Kirby began to dream about everything he'd learned about keeping his teeth healthy, the many lessons of preventive dental care. Chapter 2. A Healthy Diet. Kirby loved desserts. And he had taught his entire family that it was best to eat sugary foods during the family mealtime. Unfortunately, he had less success in teaching them to keep the size of their bites small and dainty. After meals, he hurried to the bathroom to brush his teeth. Kirby also loved candy. He dreamed of having all the candy he could ever want. But he knew that a balanced diet and healthier snacks were the keys to avoiding cavities. He had learned to especially avoid sticky candies, such as caramels, that could stick to his teeth and give him cavities. Kirby also liked to watch TV and eat snacks with his friends. But he had learned to avoid constant snacking, especially the sipping of sugary drinks such as soft drinks and fruit juice. Chapter 3. The Kirby Technique for Cool Brushing. As Kirby's dreams continued, he remembered all the mistakes he made when he first started to learn to brush his teeth. His dental hygienist had said, "Move your toothbrush back and forth, not your head, and don't worry if your ears flop a little. Vibrate the brush and move it in short back and forth strokes, and in small circular motions, not those giant back and forth strokes. Try a lot of different angles of brushing. But this is the one that works the best. Don't use the biggest toothbrush you can find. Use the right size brush with soft bristles. Use a toothpaste with fluoride and carefully place it on your brush. Brush in the bathroom in front of a mirror, not upside down. Move an electric toothbrush gently around your mouth. Don't bite on it, and never take it apart." Kirby learned his lessons well. In fact, his techniques became legendary. The Kirby technique of cool brushing was an international success. As Kirby talked to people, he would explain, you start with the insides of the upper teeth, then go to the insides of the lower teeth, then the outsides of the upper teeth, and the lower teeth. Don't forget the chewing surfaces of the upper teeth and the lower teeth, and tilt the brush to brush the backs of your upper and lower front teeth. End by brushing the roof of your mouth and gently brush your tongue. Kirby traveled far and wide, teaching children the amazing Kirby technique of cool brushing.